Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the same account launch game from a different device error on your Roblox. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to make sure that no one is in your account. So when you get the error, the first thing that you need to do is to find out if someone is in your account. So as there's a possibility that your account has been stolen, you just follow the steps right here for you to be able to do that. So just go into your Roblox homepage first and then click onto the gear icon. So right here at the top right, and then just simply select settings from the options and then click security and scroll down to the where you're logged in section at the bottom of the page. And here you can view the date and location from which browser or device you log in into your account, and if there is a browser or device that you do not use or that does not belong to you, then there is someone in your account. So in this case, just click onto the arrow icon on the right side of the device you do not recognize and click on the log out of session button, and then immediately change your password to a new one and add another layer of security to your account by selecting one of the two-step verification options on the same page. And then next, if no one is in your account but you still get the Roblox error code, so the problem may be on or the problem may be an error on your end. So you can reset the conflicting Roblox processes by restarting your computer. Or if it doesn't fix or if this doesn't fix, just go back to the place where you can log in or where you can see the login history of your account as mentioned in the method right here. And then after that, just select the log out of all other sessions option, and when you do this you will log out all of your device and then log back in only from the account that you are playing on. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.